la 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 la, la 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 la, do 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 do. Ah. All right, so we're vlogging Asheville, night 2, but who knows? This might be the first night when I edit it, because I could change everything in the editing. Something that I do that's bad is I'll just walk off while my daughter's doing something, and then she has to like run and catch up to me, so I got to get better at that because I'm supposed to be watching out for her. But it seems to work the other way around. I think she watches more out for me than I watch out for her. Another thing, that now that we're on the subject, she's a pain in the ass. No, I'm kidding. She's not. She's not. But we are having some fun here in Asheville, North Carolina. We've done so many pictures. Damn! I took a lot of pictures today. Probably gonna run out of memory on this card, but I got like 100 other cards, so don't worry about that. Ah, it's great, right? All right, we're going back to a place that we visited last night because we thought it was cool, and we're gonna check that out. Then we're going on a ghost tour of Asheville. It's probably gonna totally be fake. You know it's gonna be fake, but maybe I can scare Annie. You know, just be like, I'll make some noises and stuff. She's not listening.
Yes, I am. Do they?
Should I take my mask off?
No! Put that back on. Put it back on. I'm recording.
I'm being recorded right now. I'm gonna record you recording me. How do you like that, huh?
I don't like it at all.
Well, see?
Oh! What do you have to say about that car? Please do that again. I wanna... Oh yeah. Kill it. Yep, needed that.
B-roll.
The day in the life of a vlogger done.
La 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 la. La 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 B-roll. La 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 la. Ah. I'm shooting B-roll because that's what vloggers do. La 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 la. La 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 la.
I can't. Oh, how was that B-roll? I can't press the unrecord button. Wait.
So this store that I just filmed around and showed you a little bit of is probably our favorite place we've been to. Met some of the nicest people that we've met, not only in Asheville but everywhere. And I want to introduce you to them right now. Let them introduce themselves.
Hi guys!
Hello! Hi, my name is Jerry.
I'm Shelby.
We spent a lot of time here hanging out at Instant Karma on 36 North Lexington, Asheville, North Carolina. Graciously known as the one-stop hippie shop. If you guys want a good story or some directions to some beautiful places to go, come on in, find me, and I will send you on your way.
He gave us some great directions yesterday that we did today, and then tomorrow we're going to go to Buzzard Rock, and yeah, we'll show you some of that when we get there.
You guys
Thanks
check
a
it
lot.
out. Have fun.
Fist bump, I guess, if we can still do that. I know.
Yeah.
We'll see you guys. Thanks so much.
Yes,
Definitely.
thank
You guys are
you.
awesome.
You're
Yeah.
wonderful.
So I resorted to the map, try to find where to go. So we decided to do a ghost tour as part of our fun here in Asheville, and we're trying to find it right now. That's why I got the directions out. We actually drove by it earlier, but we couldn't find a place to park, so we found a place to park way back there. You have to pay for parking here. Now we're on our way, walking, following the walking directions to the place. Wish us luck.
Before we really start walking is to do a quick introduction, but honestly, the acoustics on the street here are downright terrible. So I'm just gonna have everyone follow me to the other side of the building. I have a spot where the sound is better. Is that an EMF meter or a camera?
A camera.
Alas, I can't have you film this.
Oh, okay.
If this ends up on